Hi everyone, Ainsworth Edmond here, and welcome again to another video. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to use CEX to purchase your packages in PGI, Petroleum Group International. All right, so in this video, I'll be walking through you step by step to use the process. All right, so first, you will log into your CEX. I've already logged into my CEX, and then you have on the dashboard at the bottom you will see new buy sell exchange wallet. I'm at the wallet, and you have trade pro and profile. So you click on deposit when you're at the wallet, then click on USD, and you're typing in the amount that you need, right? So it is $119 for the package, but I am going to show you. Let me just show you this quickly. All right, let me back out of here to show you something. All right, so I'll go to Trade Pro, and as you see, one Bitcoin is valued at 18,800. It fluctuates in between, so I'm going to put it 18,885. All right, so we come out of this and let's go to the calculator. All right, clear this. So there's a withdrawal fee from CEX of 0.0005. You times that 18,005. So that is $9.44. And as I said, it fluctuates up and down. So if you There's a package is 100 US dollars plus the 19 US dollar fee plus the fee that that CX charges to withdraw the funds or send the funds from PGI from CX to PGI. So we add that in. So let me go back to CX, go back to wallet, go back to deposit, USD. So I type in here deposit 129. And as you see, that 129 comes up to $132.98. So that's 133 US. Then you click on agree, you click on deposit. Here it will ask you for the last three digits of the back of your card. I'm going to pause the video at this point to uh, to add my numbers. That is private. You don't share those numbers with anybody, so I'm going to pause the video for that. So it's processing now. All right, you will see this system error. Don't worry, you just click on no. All right, it's nothing that is happening that has gone wrong. And then you will see card deposit successful. So the amount that I deposited is 129, and there was a fee of $3.90, almost $4. So I close that, and then I head back. All right. So you can see the deposit confirm. All right. So back out of that. All right. I see that the deposit is confirmed, but if it's not showing up immediately, do not get worried. It is confirmed. Sometimes when you're using the app, it there's a little delay, right? So I tell persons just wait a little bit, and you will soon see it show up in here. All right. What I do sometimes to speed that up is I will go to my website, and see if I hope oh, this little thing logged me out, so I won't be able to go to my website because I'm just going to pause the video because I am unable to get into. I'm going to pause the video a little bit. Okay, after a few minutes, you can see now that the 129 that I've just purchased is there. So the next step from here, so far, what you have learned how to deposit. And let us go over that again. So you come to the wallet, click on deposit, click on USD, then type in the amount that you want to deposit, click on the terms and condition, right? Always remember, right, to add. So whatever you're going to, the amount that you need. So if you need a $100 package, you add an extra $10. So it's 119 plus 10, or even $11, just to be on the safe side. So if it's a $500 package, you put 530 to be on the safe side. So it comes up to 546. You understand? Always put a little, even a dollar more to be on the safe side. So when you're finished depositing and you see it that it is active in your account, as you see, the next step is to go to Trade Pro, right at the bottom here, Trade Pro. And then now I'm going to trade the Bitcoin for, I don't know if you're able to see this. So you see here, the USD amount and USD to spend. So when I click on the 129, this turn blue. So I'm going to enter the 129 that I want to sell here. So I put that 129.66. I'm trying to, and then press buy, right? So it shows me amount of Bitcoin that I'm going to receive, and I click buy. So order has been executed, and I go back to my wallet, and I see now I have no more US dollars. I have only Bitcoins, right? So that is how you first purchase your deposit the US to your CEX, then trade that US for Bitcoin, because PGI only accepts Bitcoin, right? So it's Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out. Now, I am doing this for a team member, right? But in your PGI back office, you would have already, you will see a screen coming up like this that shows you the amount of Bitcoin that you need to send. And I wanted to just remind you, you need to send exactly the amount that PGI requires. And this is the link. And let me show you, let me put it this way. Click on this. No. Click on this. All right, so this link here is what you copy. So this is what you'll be seeing on your PGI screen, where it says send 0.0063 Bitcoin in single payment to this wallet address. This is what you're going to copy and place in your CX withdrawal. All right. So here I've already have it, so I'm going to copy it. So you're going to copy it, same like if you were copying it from CX. And so the amount that I need to send is 0.00633.032. So I go to my calculator and ensure that I'm sending 0.00633032. All right. So I'm going to go back to ensure that I have the right amount. And I say, yes, it is right. I go back to my calculator and I'm going to add 0.0005, which is the withdrawal fee that CEX um, that CEX has when you are sending funds or removing or withdrawing, whatever term you use from CEX, and I put that equal. And I copy this because I'm using it all from my phone. I copy it, that when I go back to CEX, I click now withdrawal, click BTC. All right, so you see I have the amount. All right. Oh, I did something, a step. I jump a step. So I'm going back because the first thing that I should copy, and I did copy it, but I did not use it, was to copy the wallet address, which I did. Go to CEX, right? And you're going to add address, right? So you put in the name, you can put in PGI, next, then the enter address, you copy, you paste it, then you click done, right? And done again. So you see this is PGI, right? So I go back to here and I copy this. If you are using like some persons will write it down, you can write it on a piece of paper and add it. You can do that. I just copy and paste it, right? So then you paste it in the withdrawal amount section, withdrawal amount. And as you see here, commissions is 0.0005 Bitcoin, the total amount. So it takes away the 0.005 from whatever amount you have in the withdrawal section. So if you only put this amount here, it's going to withdraw it and then PGI is going to get less and your package won't be recognized. So I'm saying this is important. Always add the 0.05 if you are using CX. And I will repeat that again. Always add that withdrawal fee. Then you click on the terms and condition, and then you click withdraw. It will go to here where it is going to show you your withdrawal pin, and I have to stop this because I don't want you to see my withdrawal pin. And I'm back, and it will say withdrawal successful. All right. A couple minutes after this, you will receive a email from CX saying that the withdrawal is confirmed. Then another hour or so, depends on the load on blockchain, then you will see your package active in PGI. So that's it. That's how simple it is to do a withdrawal with PGI, right? A withdrawal from CX or to send funds from CX to PGI. All right. So let me just go back to the steps again. To add the funds, you go to deposit, USD, type in the amount, click the terms and condition, and then deposit. After you have deposited the funds, right, you are going to get the information from PGI. I'm going to show you what the information you need. You will need the amount that will need to be sent in Bitcoin, and you will need the wallet address. So these are the two important things that you will receive from PGI. Then you'd copy the wallet address, take that back to CX, and when you go to withdrawal, then you go to BTC, then you add an address. So you do that, and then when after you have done that, you click on put the amount. Remember to always put in to add the 0.0005, which is a withdrawal fee. Click your terms and click on withdraw. So that's it, guys. Quick tutorial how to purchase your package using CX, to purchase your PGI packages using CEX.io cryptocurrency exchange. Bye for now, guys.